Greetings and welcome to Miami Kitchen 74, the home of delicious, mouth-watering, yummy and tasty dishes. Easy and quick to prepare. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Guys, let's get cooking. First of all, I will add vinegar on my chicken so that I can remove some residues. I will continue with the process until my chicken is clean. Please watch this video until the end so that you can see what the aftermath is gonna be. Don't worry, if you don't have a garden, just follow this recipe. People will really praise you because this is not different from grilled chicken on charcoal or firewood. I'll add oil in a pan, then I'll fry my chicken both sides. It will take me 10 minutes for both sides to be cooked. Then while I'm waiting for my chicken, I will continue to prepare some of the ingredients such as garlic and onions. This recipe is an honor to all my subscribers, either returning or new subscribers. Enjoy with me and make sure you try this easy recipe. Where are you watching me from? Let me know where you're watching me from. Kudos to my subscriber from Papua New Guinea, South Africa. Wow, you name it. Malawi, Zimbabwe. Wow, you name it, guys. I give you kudos because you know what? I love when you tell me where you are watching me from. Continue to watch my videos and support this channel to grow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. As you can see, I'm not gonna over fry this chicken because the next process will do everything. Guys, continue watching. I love you so much. 10 minutes later, my chicken is done. Then I'll add some onions and garlic in a baking tray and just mix together. Now, while I'm waiting for my next preparation method, I'm going to prepare some sauce which I'm going to use to marinate. I'll chop some parsley and add in a bowl. I'll add some soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce. Then honey. As you can see, that's honey. Then I'll add some ginger powder, paprika, not forgetting black pepper. Then I will mix everything together. Then add some tomato passata and salt because I don't have some tomato paste, guys. Then I'll add my chicken. As you can see, I'll lay it on top of the garlic and onion. Then I'll wrap my chicken with the mixture I made. Guys, so yummy, 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 yummy. Look at my chicken, guys. Wow, wait for the aftermath. As you know, here at my Yummy Kitchen 74, we cook and we eat our cooking. We ensure that our cooking is the best. But guys, I've had some of my subscribers telling me that they are going to try, even some of my viewers. You need to be giving me feedback so that I can know how you felt about my recipe. Guys, this is an easiest recipe. I know it can be a bit expensive because of honey. If you don't have honey, guys, that's the secret. Just use brown sugar or sugar. Guys, I've revealed the secret. You don't need to have honey every time. Have also sugar. Sugar is also a good cooking agent in the kitchen. Now I'm going to cover my chicken in foil. Wrap it in kitchen foil. Ready to go in the oven. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Our chicken is done after 50 minutes. Our chicken is ready to be served. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. New, returning, I really appreciate deep down my heart. I love you. I love you so much. Continue to support this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching this video. I know you're going to watch until the end. Guys, it's just few minutes video. It's not long video. So support this channel by watching our videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ciao, ciao. Bye.